It began with a single sneeze in 1918. In the chaos of World War I, soldiers crowded together in trenches, sharing food, stories, and an invisible killer. The trenches became breeding grounds for something far deadlier than bullets. When these troops returned home, they didn't come alone. The virus hitched a ride, spreading to families, towns, and continents with terrifying speed. By the time anyone understood what was happening, it was too late. The Spanish flu spared no one. It all started in a Kansas military camp, a tiny spark that ignited a global inferno. The war made it unstoppable. Troop movements turned it into a pandemic unlike any before. 50 million lives lost in a single year. A world forever changed. And it all began with one sneeze.